Hello, today I'm going to show you how to lower walls in Home by Me. So here we have a little room, all the walls are the same height, 3 rooms. So we want to lower the interior walls, not the exterior ones. I'll show you why in a second. So edit, uncheck room height, and type in a value. I'll switch back into 3D mode. You can see the wall is lowered, and we still have our ceiling and floor. Let's change some of the other ones just to make sure. Uncheck room height and 120, and there we go. So I go back in. Alright, so that's how quickly you can change the wall height. If you select an exterior facing wall and change the height of the wall, what will happen is that the automatic ceiling will stop computing because it thinks you want open air. Okay, so just be careful that you're not decreasing the height of an exterior facing wall. It's very easy to fix. Just click on room height again. That's back to normal. Alright, now it's your turn.